All right, I'm looking for second graders sitting crisscross applesauce so nicely. Jenny, crisscross. Can't see crisscross. All right, we have been learning about fractions this week. Zach, that's one. And you guys have been doing so great. So today we're going to do a whole group lesson to see how much we've learned. It says circle half of the smile faces on this side. Who would like to come up and circle half of the smiley faces? Anna, can you circle half? Thumbs up, thumbs down, do we agree? Awesome, Anna. How did you know that that was half?
Because it said circle 1 out of 2 and can I go on?
Yeah, sure.
And when it's 1 out of 2, I know that I'm supposed to do this.
Very nice. Awesome. On the other side, we're going to circle 1/4 of the smile faces. Ryan, can you come up and circle 1/4?
Ariana, you need to find a new spot because every time you sit there, you talk to Willa. So that can no longer be your spot.
So why did you circle the whole thing?
That will work for today, but when Carson comes back, you need to find a different spot.
Okay. 1/4. How many do we have in total? 4. So how many would be 1/4? How'd you get that, Ryan? Awesome. New question we haven't talked about. Which fraction, 1/2 or 1/4, has the greater amount of faces, which means more? Madeline? 1/2 because it has how many faces? 2 instead of 1. Awesome job. All right, our next one. Who can come up and circle 1/6 of the apples? Ian? Wow, you guys are doing so great. Who can come up and circle 1/2 of the apples? Amber, can you circle 1/2? Very nice, Amber. How did you get that? How did you know that that was 1/2?
Because 3 plus 3 plus 6, so 3 is the other.
Uh-huh. Awesome job. Just like how we did with the eggs yesterday. We divided it right down the middle in half. Our question for this slide, which fraction, 1/6 or 1/2, has less apples? Trinity?
1/6.
1/6. Why does 1/6 have less apples? That's something new. 1/6 has less? Why? That's a bigger number on the bottom. Willa?
Because there are more groups, so to divide them equally, there has to be less than 1/2, which has only 2 groups.
Yes, Jacob?
Because like it's basically saying like 1/2 is 1 group of 2 groups. So 1/6 would be 1 group of 6 groups.
Very
It has the same amount of apples.
Awesome. All right, our next one in crisscross. Circle 1/8 of the stars. Joe, can you circle 1/8? Very nice. Why'd you only circle one star?
Because it's like 1/8 and that means you circle 1 of them.
Who can come up and circle 1/2? I'm going to choose Kamsi because he's sitting so nicely this whole time. Awesome job. Another person split it right down the middle. How many is in half, Kamsi?
4.
4. Whoa. Which fraction gives you more stars? 1/8 or 1/2? Madeline?
1/2.
1/2. Circle 1/2 of the trees. First, can I have someone count the number of trees? Because there's more trees. Jacob, how many trees are there? 10. Can you go up and circle 1/2 of the trees?
I can tell because I know that's 6 and
Yeah.
that's 4 and 6 plus 4.
And it says right up there, 10.
Well, it doesn't really matter what it says up there because it could just say 1/6.
Thank you, Jacob. Katie, make sure you raise your hand if you want to say something. How did you know to circle 5?
Because 5 plus 5 is 10.
Very nice. Who can come up and circle 1/10 of the trees? Lauren? Which fraction has less trees? Cooper?
1/10.
1/10. What do you notice about the fractions as the number on the bottom gets bigger and bigger? What are you noticing? Madeline?
That once the number gets bigger, the amount goes up.
When the number on the bottom gets bigger, the amount gets even smaller. Our question says Sandy will eat 1/3 of the apples below. How many apples will Sandy eat? How many are there in total up here? Anna?
6.
There's 6 total. How many will Sandy eat if she eats 1/3 of them? Zach?
2.
You can go circle. Very nice. How did you get that?
Because if it says 1/3
Uh-huh.
and then there's 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So that's 3.
3. Wow. You guys have been doing so great with fractions. I'm really impressed. But now we're doing even more difficult fractions. We're now going to break off into our math groups. We do not have new groups today. Thank you, Zach.
You're stuck with me now. Reese's stuck with me.
Group number 4. Can you go and sit at the table?
Oh, yes, Cooper,